Here is our view from our balcony. It's a little balcony with 2 chairs. We can just fit 2 chairs and a little table. No smoking on the balcony. But we have a fantastic view. It's an oddly shaped hotel.
It's like a diamond?
Yeah, like 3.
Or like a star.
Like a star, yeah. And there's our little Chevy Spark, which I have to go move. We're right over the front, like, portico. But all these sailboats and everything is beautiful. This is first impression when you walk in. When you come in, there's a nice big area here. Nice big space. Big full-length mirror. And plenty of room like to set things over here with a door. And we really like this little table here. It's got an ice bucket and glasses on the bottom. It's got a coffee maker and space to set your keys, masks, sunglasses, purse, all that when you come in. We want to get a table like this at home. Okay, and then right to the left, there's a closet, big closet, lots of hangers, shelf up there, ironing board, and a luggage rack. And then here to the left is the bathroom. Bathroom is pretty small, just like our one at Embassy Suites last night was. But it's very nice finishes. Big counter space. Oh dear. But nope, we have a brand new box of tissues. Here we go. Crabtree and Evelyn products. Little tiny garbage can. And it is a tub shower combo with a curved shower rod. And then back out here, we have 2 queen beds. Another big mirror right there on the wall by the climate control. Lots of big fluffy pillows, oh my. And in between the beds we have a lamp with 2, so you can turn each side on. And there are 2 plugs. There is a phone. There is a little notepad with a pen. There is a alarm clock, 1 drawer, nothing in it. And then we have a big cabinet thing over here. Could easily put a suitcase here, I think. And there's 3 drawers here. And then here under the TV, there is a mini fridge and a safe, good size safe again, that you could fit a laptop in. The TV on top. I'm actually gonna put the remote over here by the TV because we basically never watch TV when we're in hotels. And then there's a desk space with a desk chair and a desk lamp. Like, nice big space. And then there's a little binder telling you about the services and everything. And then Ben is sitting in a nice green armchair under a reading lamp. And then of course we have the balcony, which I already showed you, with the beautiful harbor view. Okay, so I really think, I thought I booked a harbor view. I definitely booked the park and stay. Park and stay? Yeah, so my parking was included in my rate. We're here for 2 nights. There's 2 outdoor parking lots, and you needed your key card, scan your key card to get in and out of the parking lots. They go from the driveway and they also go out onto the streets. And there was plenty of parking, there were plenty of spaces. Oh, but when we got here, it seemed like they didn't have me down for a harbor view room, but they were very nice and they upgraded us, supposedly upgraded if I didn't book it, I guess, because of our gold status with Hilton, which we're very close to diamond. So that was very nice because the view really makes this room. It really makes a difference. I don't know what the view would be like if we were on one of the other sides. Are there 3 sides then, Ben? Is it actually kind of a triangle, isn't it? It's like, it's a weird shape. And when you come out of the elevators, it's kind of confusing, like which way you're supposed to go. The elevators are in the center. There is an outdoor pool down off the lobby outside. There's a full service restaurant. And I think there was also a lounge down there. And then there are also ballrooms, like convention space. So I think you could have events, weddings, things like that here too. So this is a very nice property and it's a really pretty location. So I hope you enjoyed this tour of our room here at the Hilton, whatever this is. It'll be down in the, down in the description in San Diego. And if you did, give us a thumbs up. And thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you all have a great day and safe travels.